Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. Another project for 2024. This is the new Flyfans L-39 Albatross. Czech design during the Cold War under the Russian sponsorship. A really nice plane, trainer, light ground attack plane. And now we have it in this version. Let's take a look. Right. You can see I like the Arctic camo, so I got the Arctic camo. Huh? This is the first of all the manual. Waist plane. Unnecessary steps there because the servos and everything are already installed. Yeah, practically we just need to assemble wings, tail planes, and that's it. All right. Let's start by cutting some tape, dangerous tape. I always say. The fan is very loud, and also I'm 3D printing something for my studio. So let's do it this way. Right. Let's see. As usual, the first part, the wing. Ah, nice. Very good finishing. Very nice finishing. Well, some smudges here. I hope this paint is not going to get yellowish during the time, because for some reason the paint on top of EPO, especially white paint, becomes yellowish. Right? Connectors, we have aileron, flap, retract, and lights. So this is really nice for this size. I think it's a very good competition for free wing, that he has a similar size L-39. This one is smaller. Okay. Just put this one here. You see, I told you there's just a few parts. Fuselage, wings, and stabilizer. That will be okay. This is a nice, very nice fuselage. Plastic nose. The intakes are all foam, so be careful with intakes. We have plastic on top of the rudder. It's good. Exhaust is also foam with a protector here. Good idea, because sometimes you take off quite abruptly and you will scratch the plane's tail. Right. Big stickers, black diamond, and let's see what's inside. Cockpit with only one pilot. Oh, this is nice because this is a very big compartment, battery compartment. So here we can put maybe, I don't know, 3003 to maybe 4000, and probably a little bit bigger than this one. We will see later. As usual, all the connectors. In this case, the ESC is normal one. This has no reverse mode, like now is the new fashion to come with reverse mode, but this one is not with reverse mode, it's just normal ESC. It's okay because these planes are never actually reversed. Retract. Very nice, small, all metal leg, metal retract. small hole for adjusting the steering. Everything is already assembled. Servos, right, from Flyfans. Very FMS kind of control horns. This one is the EDF. EDF, can you see? It's a 12 blade 64 mm EDF. I also have the elevator with individual servos installed, pre-installed directly on the elevator. Nice, really good, and really smart, because in this case we have on both sides, right? No reversed elevator. And lastly, we have probably some scale details like the pitot tubes on the wings, Velcro, some screws. Well, that's it. Very few parts. Probably this is a 20-minute tops build, assembly, and ready to fly. So we're going to assemble. I don't know, maybe on the video or not, but for sure this weekend we're going to make this plane. So please stay tuned and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.